All right, y'all, welcome to my kitchen. Today we're making coconut pancakes with caramelized cranberries, and yes, they taste even better than they sound. Just a sprinkle of this magic powder. And now for the fun part, the flip. Perfect, almost ready. Time to dress these pancakes up. Look at that, berries, syrup, and coconut all cascading down the sides. Look at this beautiful stack. The syrup is just soaking in. And now for a taste. So fluffy and sweet. That's delicious. Just needs a touch more lemon.